How to change country on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on Spotify. For that, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. And in the search bar here, you will need to type in spotify.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the go button of your keyboard to search for it. Once you reach to the official website of Spotify, here ensure that you are logged into your account. And once you have the access to your account, on this home screen, you will be able to see the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on this icon, and from the menu that appears, here tap on this view account option. Once you tap on this option, you will be taken to the account overview section. Here under account, you will need to find edit profile option. Once you find this edit profile, tap on it to open it, and in this edit profile section, here scroll down to find country or region section. If you are physically located in the new country, you can select it from this drop down menu. For that, you can simply tap on it, and then from here you can select, but note that you must be in that country to make this change. You cannot change your country in advance. You must be physically present in the new country for it to appear in this drop-down menu. Also, if you have a premium account, you will need to update your payment method to the one that is issued in the new country. For that, you can go to your plan section and tap on update next to your payment. After that, enter a new payment method from your new country. After selecting a new country and updating your payment method, you will need to save the changes. And then you will be able to change your Spotify country. So by following these steps, you can successfully change your Spotify country. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.